What's up everybody, my name's Gearshift and this is a review or bite check on my 2019 Specialized pitch. This is just the standard one, this is the most basic one, as you can see, 3x there. And yeah, first I'll start with the frame. So yeah, so first off, it's made out of A1 premium aluminium sport trail 27.5 geometry, 0 stack head tube, internal cable routing, 135 by 9mm forged dropouts, change stays, mounted disc brake, replaceable alloy derailleur hanger. Yeah, this is just, I'm reading it off the actual website, so it's literally accurate. But yeah, geometry, trying to find it. Geometry, this is a medium frame, pretty nice. They've changed the colour for 2020, but everything should be the same on it, apart from the parts that I've upgraded. Obviously doesn't come with XT brakes for £400, but yeah. So geometry, BB drop is 43mm, BB height is 310, bike standover height is 739. This is all for medium, remember, not for small, extra small, large and so on. Chainstay length is 435mm. Fork length full is basically 500mm, but it's 495. That's the same for the medium and the large, but the small is 42. Not 42, 475. Fork rake offset, if you want to know all of this, is 42mm. Front center is 680mm. Head tube angle, that's pretty important. See how slack it is. 85.5mm. That's the same for every single size. So pretty much cross country slash dabbling into trail, I guess, but it's really capable. Head tube length 100mm on the medium, and reach is 420mm. Seat tube angle 73, so pretty steepish. And then for the extra small, 74, so I guess you want more cross country, I guess something like that. Seat tube length 415, stack is 585. This is all for medium, remember. Top tube length horizontal is 600mm. Well, it's 599, but pretty much 1mm off. Trail is 94mm, and wheelbase for the medium is 1112mm. And obviously, well, on the large it's actually small, no, it's slightly bigger at 1139, and then goes down obviously. But yeah, so right, let's get to the specifications. I'll go through the specifications on the stock one. Remember, this is still a 2019 model, but it applies for the newer 2020, and maybe if they come out 2021. Walnut grips there, they look nice. Specifications, so I've already gone through the frame. Fork is a see if we can get, is a Suntour XCE 28 RX tune coil spring, 42mm offset, 80 by 100mm of travel. I'm guessing that's size, yeah, that's size specific. This is medium, so I'm guessing 100mm travel. So yeah, obviously it's not meant for Danbury Common and stuff like that. But a video on Danbury Common will be out soon again. I'm trying to get a better angle on the phone, so yeah, hopefully that's better. But yeah, right. So fork, front hub, Shimano center lock disc, 9 by 100mm spacing, quick release, 32H. If you want to know that. Silent hub, runs alright, nothing wrong with it. Just really nice hub. There's some specifications there if you want to know that. But yeah, on the fork it says this, so no like downhill and stuff. But you know, it looks pretty nice. And now we will do rear hub. Rear hub is a Shimano FH-TX505 center lock disc, 9 by 135mm spacing, quick release, 32H. And this hub is silent, it doesn't make any noise, which is a bit annoying. I quite like a noisy hub like on the C2, but yeah, it's pretty muddy, so yeah, this is a stock one. I'm going to go over everything after. Right. Spokes now. Spokes are stainless and they're 14 grams each, I think. I don't think altogether, that'd be a bit too light. But spokes, rims, they are specialised alloy, disc only, double wall, 25mm, inner width 32H. So yeah, there you go. These are pretty strong. They've been trued a little bit, just because obviously places I go like Danbury Common, quite big drops and jumps and stuff, so you would expect it. But because it's 27.5, it's pretty strong. These wheels hasn't really given me much trouble whatsoever. And yeah, the next one is yeah, rims, inner tubes, just standard Schrader valve. You know, Schrader valve. 40mm valve. So yeah, that's not too bad.